and welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is going to be about the latest technology, invisible engine block. Okay, for those who caught on that there's no such thing as an invisible engine block, still haven't gotten my block back from the machine shop. They told me 3 weeks and it wasn't ready then, and then they told me another week and it wasn't ready then. This is week 5 and it looks like I'll probably go 6, 7, and maybe 8. Instead of them just being honest saying it's going to be a long time, they are busy this time of year. I do understand that. If they couldn't make the schedule that they told me, they should have notified me, instead of me having to contact them. But that's just the way things are. There's nothing I can do about it other than maybe go get my motor back and take it somewhere else and hope they can get it done. The machine shop I took my cylinder heads to, they did those in 3 days. So it's possible they could get my block done right away. I don't know. Anyway, I think we'll go out in the garage and discuss a few things out there that I'll probably be making videos of in the future while I'm waiting on a block. I'll try and get them done. So let's go out in the garage. Okay, here we are out in the garage. I guess a few things I can go over is I'll take my fuel rail, and I got 3 different types of injectors. These ones here are Trick Flow injectors, 24 pounds. I also have those eBay injectors, 24 pounds. And I got the original Multex. So I'm thinking of hooking all 3 of those up here in the fuel rail and hook them up to the fuel lines, pressurize the fuel pump, and compare the spray patterns. That'd be one video I could do while I'm waiting on the motor. And maybe I'll go ahead and take apart the rear dog bones. I want to inspect the bushings and the rear suspension. They've been in there, I think, about 75,000 miles now, so they're polyurethane bushings. It'd be interesting to see how they held up after that length of time. Right now, and more pressing, is my Chevy Trax. Coming home today from the store, the brakes failed, and it's this rear brake caliper. Well, they didn't completely fail, it's just that the pedal went almost all the way to the floor, and I was able to pump it up, and they were fine from where I stopped at the end of this big hill to here. But that brake caliper is giving me problems. You can tell it's dragging and doing whatever else. So I got a new one coming from Advanced Auto Parts. And I don't know if I'm going to do a video on that. Doesn't get a lot of views. Maybe I will. I don't know. But that's about all I got going on right now. So I'll try and come up with some other stuff too. So I don't know. In the meantime, I want everybody to have a great day, and God bless.